Pratham. Today I am saying you Constitution. Take your right hand in front of your head and start the Constitution. We, the people of India, habit solemnly resolve to constitute India into a sovereign, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and opportunity, and to promote among their all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt and give to ourselves this Constitution. Jai Hind. Thank you.